Disclaimer, this is not a food channel, but these are one of the things that you get up to when you are locked in for 7 days in quarantine due to COVID. So bear with me. Welcome. So I'll be attempting to make Abacha without Potash in this video. Let's see how it goes. So how does Treasure Esiri do this? Okay, first I need to state the ingredients. Okay, first I blanched the dry abacha. That is, I poured hot water in it and then drained it. And now I'm going to blend a little of it in the blender to use as the thickener because there is no potash in this recipe of African salad. Let's see how it goes, guys. And it is not easy at all. These ladies that do food channels on YouTube, man, they are trying. What? See how my armpit is blocking the blender. And the abacha, it refused to blend because apparently I didn't soak it long enough. So you need to soak it long enough for it to be soft enough to blend into a paste to use as a thickener for the African salad. So let's keep, please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, remember, this is not a food channel. I'm just bored at home in my quarantine days, and so just have fun with me in this video. Eh? Kudos to all the ladies who do food channels on YouTube. You ladies are trying. What? You know, easy. I tired to blend a bit, so let me just pour it out and let's see if it will work for this my abacha without potash. I think I saw it somewhere on YouTube, so I'm just trying my hands out to see if it really works. Because it's in the hungry me actually. Coming back from Nigeria, everything that I ate in Nigeria is hungry me, so I'm attempting to make abacha without potash. So now this is the blended dry cassava that I just blended by force. So I'm going to mix it with some palm oil like I saw in that video. Yes, pouring the palm oil, no measurement, pour as the spirit leads you. And then I'm mixing it. Yeah, mix it very well until it's supposed to be a smooth paste, smoother than this one. So when you are blending, make sure first you soak it for a while before you blend. Yeah, so I'm mixing it. Please subscribe, oh, please, oh, I beg you all, subscribe to this channel, like the videos, share them, more palm oil as the spirit leads. Guys, I'm just having fun, man. I was bored. This was my 6th day in quarantine and I was bored, so bored, so I had to do something. So this was me trying to cheer myself up. So I'm still mixing it. Now I'm gonna add the seasoning. There's crayfish, I think. There's seasoning cubes. There's dry pepper, and what else? I can't remember. So mix it all together as you like it. Mix in. In case you haven't watched my former video about traveling to Nigeria, please do yourself a favor and watch it in case you're planning to travel, because it will help you with some information that you may be needing. Okay, so I just added some onion to the mixture. Remember, I'm not doing it on the stove, I'm doing it on the mat, just cold. Okay, that's ukpaka. God bless everybody cook. So I'm adding my ukpaka now into the blended whatever mix that is, and I'm mixing it. Yep, mixing. Yeah, more mixing. Making African salad is all about mixing. Now that is my stockfish. Yeah, what's it called? Pieces stockfish. As the spirit leads, I just poured everything into the pot and mixed it as well. How is it going so far? Treasure Esiri, please rate my cooking skills. So this cooking thing on YouTube is not a joke. You ladies are trying. So now I'm going to add the already blanched dry cassava. That's I poured hot water in it and rinsed it. That's what blanched means. So now I'm going to mix it again. More mixing, more mixing, more mixing, more mixing, more mixing, more mixing. Guys, I'm just cracking myself up. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, please. Here we do vlogs, inspirational videos, and we talk about faith in God and everything that has to do with faith. Okay. More mixing, more mixing. Yep. Still mixing. Now, wow, still mixing. And you taste for salt or to be sure that it has taste. And you know we Africans, we don't measure salt, we put it until our ancestors say stop. Then we stop. It's a gift. Okay guys, I had to change the pot because it was too small. Now I'm adding the remainder of the ukpaka and everything else and more palm oil as the spirit leads. Yeah, so I'm almost at the end of this ukpaka business and this abacha business. So just final mixing and I hope I can eat it. I'm hopeless with this TV cooking thing. Oh my God, I need lessons. If you've watched so far, thank you so much for staying with me till now, for watching my shenanigan on YouTube. I'm just trying to cheer myself up. Yeah, and I think we're done. My abacha without potash is done, and it tasted so good, if I say so myself. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to try my recipe, I will put the things I used down in the description box, and you can follow it if you want to. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and see you in my next video. Bye.